This is Science, Week 23, Day 1. The first thing that you're going to do is watch the video that's here and think about, as you watch, what makes one sound lower and another higher. So you can tell this week we're going to be talking about sounds and continuing our exploration of that. Watch the video to learn more about sounds and vibrations. Again, this should be in present mode as you're doing this. Get the best picture. Another video talking about the difference between a vibration that causes a high pitch and a vibration that causes a low pitch. You are going to answer the two questions here outlined in the red box. Remember that when you're answering a question, you need to switch out of present mode to answer the questions and use the text box, or also you can use the different tools. Here is the question that we're asking. The phenomenon, or the thing that we are exploring this week, is why are some sounds high and some sounds low? Another video to watch, and this video is going to show you how to play with the virtual oscilloscope. And when you're doing the virtual oscilloscope, when you're going to click on that, you need to be in present mode in order for that to work. And here, how would you describe the differences between the high-pitched and the low-pitched sound waves? So you need to look at those two pictures. What is the difference between the two of them? Type your answer. You won't be in present mode for this part. Type your answer in the red box. And then the last one, draw how each sound wave looks, and then circle the word you would use to describe the high-pitched wave versus the low-pitched wave. And in order to access those tools, you will go to Insert up at the top in your choices, and then you'll click on Shape, and then you'll be able to find a circle and circle which one of those answers you want to circle. Okay, that's the end of this first day. Enjoy it. This is fun and interesting stuff.